Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in to our channel. So today we are going to be doing some maintenance on our pressure washer. So this is our Ryobi pressure washer. We're going to be getting it ready for the winter. So we're going to be putting in this pressure washer pump protector by Ryobi. There's several brands that make this. I think Staybill makes it as well. So it's designed to extend the pressure life, prevents mineral deposit buildup, protects pump from freeze in winter, storage up to minus 25 degrees Fahrenheit. So this is going to push any remaining water out. It's also going to lubricate inside and almost install like a little bit of an antifreeze. So this is our Ryobi right here, our 1900 PSI, 1.2 gallon per minute. It's our new unit that we got this year. We're going to flip it around. So we have our quick disconnect, which you have to unscrew like we did right there. And then you're going to take this end and you're going to screw it right in. Just like that. So we're going to go ahead and push this. There is no instructions at all on this can. It only talks about is if you squirt yourself in the face or you ingest it. No instructions. Everything I've seen in the research, you're just going to spray this until you start getting some stuff coming out. So here we go. So that should be all we need, just like that. So now we went ahead and removed some of the extra water that was in the pressure washer. We lubricated inside of it and we installed some stuff to make sure that nothing freezes in it, any liquid down to minus 25 degrees. So just like that, we prepared our pressure washer for the winter. So one thing to note, this is a one shot and done. So this is applications only good for one pressure washer. So if you have multiple pressure washers, you're gonna have to buy 2 bottles of this. Again, we got this at Home Depot. So hopefully this video was informative for you guys. Leave your comments below. Give us a like and subscribe, and until the next video.